Hello, my neurologist. You're watching Scientific Medical Neurologist YouTube channel. So, in this video, we are discussing about the adult health nursing first question paper. So, this is a today's question paper that is of 23rd June 2025. So, this is today's adult health nursing first question paper of third sem BS nursing students. So, this is the original question paper. Original question paper means in original question papers are those question papers of RGHS which includes any correction that was made during the examinations by RGHS. As you know, during the examination many corrections will be done in question paper. So original question paper also includes that those corrections that was made during the examination live. So for that we call original question papers. But many previous year question papers that will get in other YouTube channel, that those all question paper does not include any corrections that was made in the question paper during the examination. Those question paper that does not include those corrections, but that our original question paper includes all of the corrections that was made in the question paper during the examinations. For that reason only we will call those question papers as the original question papers, which will be only uploaded in our YouTube channel. So for all of the previous original question papers of base nursing, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and get all of the original previous year question papers. So at the description and the comment box, you can check the all of the previous original question papers link. Previous BS nursing original question papers. Also, we will upload a important question for BS nursing semester wise batches, including other type nursing, nursing foundation, community, communication, OBG. So all of the important questions of BS nursing are already uploaded in our YouTube channel. So you can get the link in the comment box, or you can just search those videos in our YouTube channel and also share our YouTube channel so that we get motivated to upload more videos related to RGS and base nursing. So now let's check for my important question video for adult nursing. So in today's question paper of adult nursing, how many questions are came from my important question video? Let's check it out. As here you can see, this person is already created here. So at the time frame of 1 minute 54 second, you can see the you can notice the first question that is on the where it is, man. Yeah. So at the time frame also, actually this is not correct. As you can see here, at the time frame of 2 minute 2 seconds, here you can see the questions that is etiology is nothing but the risk factor only, and the pathophysiology, it is not included pathophysiology in question paper. They just asked about the etiology as a risk factor and clinical manifestation as a clinical manifestation and clinical features are both same. So they asked etiology, that is risk factors, and clinical manifestations, that is nothing but the clinical features, and the and they did not ask diagnostic investigations, and they asked about the management. So for adult nursing, you should mostly focus on the important topics rather than important questions. So as you can see here, they just picked the important question from my important question video and they just modified it. So they asked the question from my important question video. So they just modified the question and asked in today's question paper. But the overall topic, another video I was uploaded. Wait, let me show this. So another important topic video I was uploaded.
Hello, Petrologist. You're watching Science.
In this you can see this is this topic is the main important topic of the this unit, that is
Second important.
that is digestive disorder unit. So let me show you. So as I told that the mostly digestive system question they will ask, and secondly they will ask cardiovascular system. In this video only I was told that.
If you have no time for exam,
So now let's see from which so now let's see from digestive system disorder which all important topics are there, and this video is uploaded 1 year ago. So let's see this let's see today's question is there there in this important topic list or not. So here I listed that etiology is nothing but the risk factors, and clinical manifestations is nothing but the signs and symptoms or clinical features. So both three three terms are three terms are same only. So as you can see, this is the so today's this topic is already listed in my important topic video which I was uploaded 1 year ago. So this video is applicable for all of the batches, including your 2023, 2024 batch, 2025 batch, all of the batches. It's not that it's don't think like that it is uploaded 1 year ago and for today's examination this won't work. No, I made important topics in such a way that it should work for all the batches, not only just uh, 2023 batch. So at 1 year ago, I was uploaded this video. In that I told that this question or this topic is important, and in today's question paper this important topic was repeated. As you can see, I was uploaded this video 1 year ago only. So on that time only I told that on that time only I added this topic as an important topic, and I also added angina pectoris as an important topic, as we can check it out here. Let me open for the okay, cardiovascular disorders. So as you can see uh, at this point, you can see that the angina pectoris is also added as an important topic in cardiovascular disorder. So I told this 1 year ago only. So and that today's till now, till now, how many question papers are conducted? How many exams are conducted for the third sem? All of the in all of those question papers, my important topic and questions were appeared in exams. So this time also for today's exam also that is so I want to tell that my important questions and important topics will 100% repeat in upcoming examinations, or you can say in any of the examination. What all important questions I was uploading in my video channel, those important questions will definitely appear in your examinations. So with proof, I am showing you that I was uploaded this video 1 year ago and told that angina pectoris is an important topic and important, and that and questions will pick from angina pectoris only in an examinations. Not only angina pectoris, I have listed 5 important topics that will definitely ask in adult nursing question paper. As we can see that the hypertension, cardiac failure, myocardial infarction, rheumatic heart disease, and angina pectoris. So as I told that angina pectoris is also one of the important topic which I was told before, and the same question was appeared today in today's
This all are important.
Okay, so now let's check out the important questions. This video is also uploaded 1 year ago. In that video only, I have listed many of the important questions on the unit wise basis. For my important topic video, from that on the basis of that video only, I have made this important questions video. So in this important question video, I was already listed this topic or listed this question which is asked in today's question paper. As you can see the proof, and this video is uploaded 1 year ago. And in today's question paper also the same question has appeared. So now let's check it. So now let's check out the second question. As you can see, the second question is also there in my important question video, that is angina pectoris. So the same question is asked today in question paper of adult nursing, angina pectoris and types of angina pectoris. And the extra thing they asked overall the management of angina pectoris. In this question, I was listed only medical and nursing management. So they just modify the questions and ask the same question. So basically, you can say that the questions in this question paper as came from my important question video only, mostly all the questions. So I just shown you long essay questions. So you can see all of the questions by your own by visiting my important question video with the link in the description. Okay. So this is all about the how many questions I have came from my important question video in today's question paper of adult nursing. Okay. So this is all about this today's question paper of adult nursing. So don't forget to watch all of our other videos and also share our YouTube channel so that we get motivated to upload more videos related to RGS and base nursing. Thanks for watching.